Morning frothers, Fish from the Gold Coast, bringing you your morning cryptocurrency and surf report. Start with cryptocurrency this morning. Bitcoin continues on its bullish trend. It's up another 0.5%, gaining steadily there, so that's nice. About 2,600 last time I checked, just over US. Ethereum still going down. Unfortunately for this Ethereum holder, that's still retracing, so down another 1.5% to 269. Last time I checked, it's around the 270 mark. It just keeps bouncing around that mark. Litecoin back on track. Took about a 10% retracement from approximately a $57 US high, I believe. It went back down to, call it 50 even, and it started to kick back now. Last time I checked, about $53, $52.50. So starting to regain confidence there already after the profit-taking sell-off. Masternode coins are all doing well. Pivex up, exclusive coin up, Dash up. So masternodes are getting less and less affordable, but great for those of you who are either already holding them or holding the coins anyway, making profit there. I was waiting for the sun to come up this morning. Surf's rolled in on the Gold Coast, so I was up early and I found one called Clams. It's pretty interesting. They went a different way with their initial coin release. Traditionally, more recently, people are going with ICOs and selling off initial share offerings in their coins, initial coin offerings, if you like. Clams went a different way. They basically wanted to get their currency distributed as far and as wide as possible. So what they did is they actually sent basically free coins, 4.6 clams from memory, to whoever was holding a Dogecoin wallet, a Bitcoin wallet, or a Litecoin wallet back in 2014. May 12th was the exact date. So if you were holding any of those three wallets back in the day, I wasn't. I'm just figuring out YouTube. So yeah, I wasn't. But for those of you who were, well done. You should be picking up some free clams on that. They really just tried to level the playing field. I mean, the ICOs being offered at the moment do have free giveaways. Most of them anyway, with their coins, so they're kind of favoured towards the rich and the first in market principle. So if you find them early, you'll get some bonus coins quite often. If you invest a lot of money, you're going to get some bonus coins. But to level the playing field, they just sent every account holder 4.6, regardless of the size of the pre-existing Doge, Bitcoin or Litecoin account. So really, really clever, if you ask me. It makes the currency less manipulable by theory, with having a wider spread of the initial coin offering. So I can see a good future for clams. I mean, I could be wrong, but I think it's a good time to get in. I mean, the chart's looking pretty good. We'll just have a look at that now, actually. Thanks to Valderrama, I think his name is, from Steemit. You're a legend, mate. Keep up the commentary on the videos, it's helping me a lot, and even though I feel a little bit like Mr. Squiggle in doing it, I'm going to draw another live chart for you. Let's have a look at the path clams has taken on our Steam chart here. Sorry about the reflection, I will figure that out eventually. Still new at this. Alright, so if we have a look at the graph, I'm just going to jump onto Bitrix now so I can have a quick look, draw it up for you. Okay, here we go. So we started off quite high, and as you know, I like to buy low and sell high. That's the aim of the game. It's hard to do. That's why 90% of people lose their money in this game. It's hard to stomach when the stock's been crashing. Why would you want to get on it? Well, because the whole theory of the game we're playing is to buy low and sell high. So this has taken quite a retracement down from about 250,000 Satoshi at the max in the last last 2 weeks or so. It's come down, steadied off around the 2250 mark. 225,000 mark. Come all the way down, big retracement, all the way down to 175,000 actually. So massive retracement. It's come up a little bit, down a little bit, up, and it's had a really good gain back to that 225,000 Satoshi mark. Again, profit takers have come in. I'm going home, I'm taking my money, and it is actually retracing as we speak. So it's back down to about current reading is 208,000 Satoshi. I I like to use those round figures as psychological support. So looking at the chart, you'd be taking about half back what we've grew using Fibonacci retracement at about 200,000. So set some buy orders there. That's my opinion, of course. Please do your research and do your own technicals to make your buy decisions. But 200,000 does look good to me. I can see some good long-term growth in this, and it's already had some interest over the last sort of 72 hours, which should bring it into the spotlight a little bit more. Moving on to surfing. Swell's coming in. Southeast changes come through as predicted. Surf's looking nice. It hasn't quite wrapped through to the Gold Coast just yet. A little bit disappointing, but we are getting there. So Scotty and I are going to head off for a surf real soon. I just wanted to also bring you some more surfing news. The legend Dion Myers, the Colonel himself, is back in the water after a bit of a stage out through injury. And I don't know how to bring this up on the computer to show you all, so I've just got it on my phone, but this is, it's not going to work. Yeah, it is sort of. That's him returning after a while out. Now, I can't tell you where the spot is. We might as well call it Colonel's Reef because the guy has owned it for 20 years. So, Colonel, big shout out. Good to see you back in the water, mate. I'm hoping you're working on those rail grab turns because I have tried to teach you a bit there. I like to work with the up and comers. So, keep it up, mate, and I hope to see you down at Cops this weekend, actually. So, see how we go. All right, cheers, guys. Off for a surf and catch up with you later. Hope you all do well today and have a great day.